In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to download Wise Global Money app on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store, then search for the app Wise Global Money. Once app appears, click on it. This app is developed by Wise Payments Limited. Now click on the option of Get or this kind of cloud icon. If prompted, confirm the installation using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID's password. The latest version of the app requires iOS 16.0 or later. Once the app has finished downloading, tap Open to launch it. Sign in with your existing Wise account or tap Sign Up to create a new account if you're a first-time user. After setting up your account, you can send and receive international money transfers, hold and convert multiple currencies, track transfers, manage your Wise card, and receive real-time notifications directly from the app. Wise recommends keeping the app updated to access the latest features and security improvements. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.